Volvo buyers in China got an unwelcome surprise recently when they discovered some irregularities in a standard component. According to Chinese media outlet Sohu, as reported by Car Scoops, several owners posted concerns on social media about the speakers installed in their S60 sedans. One customer reported that his upgraded premium quality speakers from the brand Bowers & Wilkins weren't there. Instead was a set labeled Bowers & Vilkins, with the second word starting with 2 capital V's instead of the W. The owner also reported that their vehicle's gear shaft, which on this high-end Volvo was made of a crystal-like material, was missing its typical light-emitting feature. Other reports suggested a piling on of additional Volvo buyers who claimed similar findings, leading some to ask whether the counterfeit products were installed intentionally. Volvo's China division issued a statement as the backlash spread, saying the company attaches great importance to the irregular behavior in the new car sales process, reported by some customers, and that it deeply apologized for the trouble and inconvenience. Volvo also said it was launching a special investigation in order to root out what happened, stressing that it already utilizes a strict full-link traceability management system for original accessories. Volvo added that in the future it would further strengthen the supervision and management of authorized dealers, comprehensively standardize sales service standards and processes, and effectively protect the legitimate rights and interests of every customer. All that said, some observers expressed concern that the damage has already been done. CarScoop says local media in China indicates that Volvo's brand reputation has taken a hit, adding that the incident raises uncomfortable questions about oversight and accountability within Volvo's supply chain. I'm Anna Wells. This is Manufacturing Now.